Tidal current calculation practice problem 4 reads, on 10 November 2023 at 20:30, you're inbound at Charleston Harbor entrance buoy 10, ACT 6611. What is the direction and velocity of the current you're encountering as you pass buoy 10? See illustration DO58NG. Okay, let's get our information from this. So we need the day. This is the 10th. Good. And it wants to know, here's the time, 20:30. The 10th at 20:30. We're inbound. Direction and velocity is what it's asking. What's the direction equal to? And what's the velocity equal to? At buoy 10. So let's take a look at this. We are on the 10th. So here first of all, 6611. Match it up, 6611. Good, we're on the right graph. And now we're on the 10th. So you see, it's the 9th up to midnight here, and then the 10th. So this is kind of showing 2 days. Now we're in the 10th. Now what time at the 10th? 20:30. So it's going to be near the end of the day, right? Each one of these are 3, so you go 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and then that would be 24. So if this is 21, that means this is 19 and 20. We're at 20:30, so we're right between 20 and 21. We're like right here. If you follow it up, it looks like we hit this max ebb. And so we follow the line over. What's it equal? Negative 0.4. Velocity, yowza. They don't throw the negative signs in there. Sometimes I like to, just because 0.4 is the velocity. And now this is on the ebb side right in here. So mean ebb direction is 104. 104. So we have 0.4 at 104. 0.4, there's 2 of them, but only 1 is at 104, and it looks like 4 is C. 0.4 knots at 104. Let's check. 4 is C. Yeah, 4 is C. Excellent. These problem sets are so much more friendly than they used to be with the 1983 tide table excerpts. Those were kind of a nightmare and completely outdated. These are awesome. Enjoy these problems, practice them, get these right on your practice quizzes, and get them right on your final exam, and you will be doing all right. We'll see you in the next section.
If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider when getting your captain's license.